These are probably the best studio monitoring headphones under 50 euros, $50, 50 quid. Yes, and they are currently on sale, and today I am going to unbox them and then make a review. Let's start. First, I must warn you, if you will listen to these headphones, you will probably ditch all of your old headphones. But if you are ready to get one of the best music listening experiences in your life, this video is for you. This is not a sponsored video and I did pay for this jewel myself. As you see, these headphones came from the online store Musiker. As far as I know, this is the only store in the world that is selling them. According to some people, they are proprietary product of Musiker, so if you want them, you need to buy them from their store. Musiker started as a shop of instruments back in the 90s that was created and run by friends, musicians. They delivered such good experience to their customers that they were expanding ever since. Today, the Musiker is internationally acclaimed online store that also has core shops around Europe. Right now, there is a big sale on them and you better hurry, as they can go really fast. Fortunately, I placed a link in the description of this video on which you can buy them. Make sure to check also other products of Musiker, as they offer a lot of amazing and quality products for music and free time activities. This is an affiliate link, so you can get these headphones for a great price and I get a tiny reward. You can order no matter what part of the world you are, as they offer various deliveries. What is amazing, even for example for Americans, is that shops based in Europe are bound to law that offers 14 days money back guarantee to everyone. So even if you wouldn't like them by any cause, you should be able returning them with ease, even though I doubt that, as the sound they are delivering is from a different galaxy. But I will talk about it in detail in upcoming review. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. This is the only way you will be notified when the new video will be live. But let us return to the headphones, because they are the main star of today's unboxing. The headphones Lewitz HP9800 don't try to make an impression on you by flashy box. The inside of the box is simple and very basic. I already tried them and fell in love with them so much, so I postponed other videos with reviews. This way you can use the opportunity to get them for a bargain price, as they are so good. If you want to deliver something valuable as a seller for a great price, you must cut somewhere. Luckily, Lewitz are keeping high quality headphones, but they don't try to impress with luxurious box, which you will throw away anyway. Not that Lewitz would not give you accessories, it's just it's not packed flashy. What you are receiving in the headphone box is single-sided 99.99% OFC detachable cable that is 3 meters long with mini 3-pin connector. Comparing it to Lewitz's HP9800, this cable is all plastic with some kind of rubber-like material, but it appears to be of high quality, so it may last for a long time. And even if you wanted to use another one, jack cable, you can, because it's detachable. In box you will also find some basic documentation. Many of you may know that you can't really rely on these types of papers, as there are too many fakes. That's many times misleading, but not here. This description is spot on. When you take them into your hands, you immediately feel how light they are comparing to some competitors. They feature, and listen to this, I tried them and it's true, they feature auto-regulable headband. And it's also true that this system, as the brochure says, delivers superior comfort even for extended wearing. The ear cups are closed back style and they are huge, but you must understand that Musiker knows what they want to deliver to their clients. Inside is new generation XXL membrane that creates accurate and exquisite sound. Without a doubt, they are suitable for all monitoring occasions. But as I said, I will talk about these details in upcoming review, where I will also mention other technical specs. And these are impressive when reading on paper, but even more when you have these headphones on your ears. Just to tease you a little bit before this review, let me tell you that I've been listening actively music every single day of my life since more than 30 years. I've been DJing, I've been producing, and I've been building home studios just because I love good music. But I can honestly say that I haven't had such incredible music experiences as with these headphones never before. The more I am listening to them, the more I love them. On the other hand, the more I am listening to them, the more I dislike to return to any of my old headphones or even audio systems. So these headphones are extraordinary as for casual enjoying the music, but also for your home studio. I bought them for 43 euros. Yes, you are listening right, 43 euros. Usually they cost 50, but because of this sale, the price is even better. The sound is flat and yet absolutely satisfying. That is a steal within pure sense of the word. And you will be impressed with them as well. That's a fact. They look amazing and they sound even better. So hurry up and get them now because they will be sold out fast. My name is mariobeky. Thanks for watching and we will see us in another video. Ciao!